Hello, welcome to today's video. Today we are looking for some table decor. Before going to start video, please subscribe our channel. Let's start our video. First one. This is hang balance lamp. You can buy it online within $18. Second one. This is sand timer. You can buy it online within $16. Third one. This is levitating air bonsai pot. You can buy it online within $54. Fourth one. This is moving sand art picture. You can buy it online within $29. Fifth one. This is solar power radiometer. You can buy it online within $29. Sixth one. This is Harry Potter Golden Snitch Light. You can buy it online within $24. Seventh one. This is table decoration waterfall. You can buy it online within $20. Eighth one. This is desk decor table storage. You can buy it online within $25. Ninth one. This is nightlight levitating air. You can buy it online within $89. Tenth one. This is gold pineapple fruit craft. You can buy it online within $12. So, today we are looking for some table decor. If you want those product, you can get them through links below the description. Thanks for the watching video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you soon in the next video.